Good Tuesday afternoon to you. This Velco Weather Hazards Alert is in effect through 8:30 p.m. for thunderstorms, and we're seeing a band of thunderstorms on radar. Generally, a north-south line that southernmost area here is starting to bow out just a little bit, and I think this is where the heavy action is going to be primarily. And expecting this, there's a little bit what we call a vortmax, and a little bit of a twist in the clouds, an area of low pressure here. And so this is eventually going to pivot and work faster through portions of southern Vermont than it is through the Champlain Valley. You're looking at the Albany radar here, and you see the warnings going up in these current areas right now. This is Saratoga County, and we're seeing various bows, and each one of these has a strong wind signature starting to show up here. Using a GR analyst, you can see that some of the tops are fairly strong, up around 40,000 feet, and they're putting out a fair amount of lightning. But that seems to be about the highest I've seen some of these tops go so far. But these cells are marching on through, and the strongest updrafts are producing a little bit of hail. You can see some of the bowing action. This is a particular little area here, and some of this area right here. This is where I think it's going to be mostly affecting the southern four counties, but also we have to worry about, looks like the Champlain Valley as well. And just to carry this through, you can see the evolution here. Now let's take a look at the radar up to the north in Burlington. Now the northern part of this line is most noteworthy here with this bowing echo, a little bit of kind of a booked vortice here. We'll have to keep a close eye on that as well. This is where the warning is situated. It's making a track pretty quickly toward Lake Champlain, and this may affect the Champlain Valley. One of the other things, looking at it, the storm relative velocity, as you can see, is a little bit of a twist right here. These are pretty strong winds, so this is definitely a pretty good gust front on this particular thunderstorm cell headed for the Champlain Valley. Burlington has a warning on it. So still expecting some wind potential microbursts here that could cause tree limb damage as this marches east across the region. This Velco Weather Hazards alert will be in effect through 8:30 p.m. Last area is mainly being affected as I'm expecting this line to sort of pivot northward and then eventually work north and east. And we'll be the Northeast Kingdom, and just about anywhere in the state could see some wind gusts greater than 40 miles per hour. Checking on lightning real quick, and you can see there's a fair amount of it. You can see the individual thunderstorm cells. This is still fairly strong, but a lot of the heavy action across the Albany Schenectady area heading towards southern Vermont. Just about anywhere here we're going to see some intense bursts of lightning. Looking at the latest computer modeling, the latest high-resolution rapid refresh modeling, you can see these bowing echoes move through, pivoting into mostly southern Vermont a little quicker than the Champlain Valley, but getting into the Champlain Valley and fairly quickly running through portions of, it looks like Bennington and Rutland County into Windsor and sort of exiting the Windham County region pretty quickly. And we'll see if the behavior is exactly like this. And then this rotates north into north central Vermont, the Northeast Kingdom. Last seeing it, this is about 7 o'clock this evening. And then things are pretty much done by around 8:30. That's the latest. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights.